Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I'm really excited to open this. I have a package here from Mrs. Babs and she is a yarn company. So this is another yarn video. I just love yarn and I am so into knitting right now that a lot of my hauls are yarny. But this is from Mrs. Babs and this is her book club collection. Oh, I'm excited to see. This is my first time getting a box from her subscription box. Ooh, so Miss Babs Book Club, March 2020. Welcome to the first shipment. Our first read of the year is Cleopatras Daughter. So I did pay for the year up front. And so there's a book called Cleopatras Daughter that we can read, and it kind of is supposed to go along with that. Your kit includes yarn and your choice of 2 color options, as well as a scarab stitch marker, perfect for keeping track of the center double decrease in the pattern. We will be sending the PDF of the pattern shortly and invite you to knit along with us in the Ravelry group. So here is the little scarab. Is that what you call it? Scallop? I don't remember what I even said. I always forget what these are. And the talented Tamara Gore designed the shawl encompassing the integrity and strength of Celine, the book's heroine. Babs developed 2 colorways, one inspired by Celine's early life and the second inspired by Rome, where she came of age. So they did send us a little thing, and oh, there's a little hint of what it might look like, I think. There's a little, there was a little choice in colors. We could either pick, and I asked on Instagram, we could either pick the turquoise and gold or the purple and gray, I believe. And I asked you guys what you would pick, and most of you picked turquoise and gold. So that is what I went with. Yay! And I do love this. It's very, very pretty. I love this turquoise color. It is gorgeous. So this is Mrs. Babs Spring Colorway Book Club 2020, and it looks like it's called Fayes. This is 335 yards of 100% superwash merino, and it says that it's a 5 to 7 stitch or per inch, so it's a US 3 to 5. And this is their yummy 3-ply base, it looks like. So we got 2 of those and 1 of these, and this is in the color Aurum, I think. I could be saying these names wrong. I'm not familiar with them, but they are very pretty and squishy. This one has a little bit of some tonal color in it. I'm sure that they both do. Yeah, here's some here. Oh my goodness. It is very pretty. So I'm excited to see what it will look like, and I'm pretty sure this is a hint of it. So that would mean that this would be the turquoise for me and this would be the gold. So yay, I'm excited. This is fun, and it's a neat little thing that, you know, you get a new pattern. I think it's every 3 months. So March, April, May, June, July, August, September, maybe those 3 months. I'm not exactly sure. I don't exactly remember, but you have to sign up for it online, and then you get your surprise, and I just love to get the surprises in the mail. Now, this is not something that I would pick on my own. A scarab. I mean, they're kind of creepy to me. They're bugs, you know. Ugh, I don't like them as I'm killing an ant. So, but I know that these are supposed to be good luck, so it's kind of neat. And I will use it for this project just because it's kind of neat, kind of goes along with it. The book honestly didn't sound that great to me, so I don't know that I'll be reading or listening to that. But, and I might read some of this, but, oh yeah, it looks like this is a summary, so that'll be good. So that's what I got, and I'm excited for the book club. It'll be fun. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.